Hiya, it's Andy from Cream Whiskers. How are you? It's another Sunday shave. Hey! Right. That is Taylor's upon Street Peppermint. I like this. I do like this one. What does it smell like? Do you know the extra strong mints you buy? Yeah, it does. It's extra strong mints. That's why I like it. You want to get up in the morning and you mint smell. I'm also going to be using the Abora that has been soaking. It's the Omega one I normally use. And the Edwin Jagger barley razor with a Astra blade in it. So, let's get shaving. Nice down here today. Oh, I'm using the trusty old barrel. It's been nice down here. It's been like near you. So, enjoying the old sun. What are you doing today? Just chilling. Taking the kids out. Taking the kids out because they're going back soon. I bet you are, but they're all glad that they're going back. 6 weeks. What did you used to do in your 6 weeks? I was always turfed off to family. When I was younger, I was turfed off to family because my parents were working. But when I was older, I would just spend my time cleaning my fish tanks out, cleaning my bedroom up, sitting around. If my parents were at work and I was at school, I would just be sitting around chilling with mates or just eating my parents out of house with home. And then when I was old enough to drive, I was working and I took time off, then I would just sit and make a mess in the front room of our house, or I'd be sitting in the garden with the music so loud I'd annoy the neighbours 3 doors out. My parents could never work out why I was so noisy. Because that's me, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It was like I wasted a cake, didn't it? Let's have a go. I do like the smell of this. It smells like an extra strong mint. It sounds like I've had a couple of extra strong mints today. I do like to tell you this stuff, it goes on really smoothly. If you do want a kick in the morning, it's this or Parasso, the Parasso one. The green one, the mint one. It smells, I'm going to review, well, I'm going to show you that in a couple of weeks. I've got some new stuff to produce as well. Got something from Walkington. They were doing a thing on Facebook. And we want to try their new razors they brought out. So if you get a thing saying try a new razor from Facebook, try it. It isn't a con. You do get it. It turns out. I'm going to review that probably next week. So it's not a double. It won't be a DE. It'll be a normal razor. I'm afraid. I might use the Parasso. I've got Parasso normal shaving foam. I've got it in a job lot. It was going cheap. So I might try that next week. It's supposed to have 5 blades and a I can't remember. It's supposed to have 5 blades and a cushion that goes over the top over the face. We'll soon find out what that's like, won't we? Excuse the dogs, they make a bit of a noise again today. They're not in with me. Normally I've got them in with me, but I'm not bothering them today, they can stay outside. They can all stay outside and listen to me talk to myself. Been anywhere nice for your holidays? Anywhere exciting? Greece, Italy, Spain, France? You can go to Greece, I quite like it in Greece. It's quite nice to have. We go to a place called Zante. If you've not been, check it out, it's a small island. You can go around it in a day. Yeah, you still smell this, it's lovely. It is lovely. I was just about to say something, but I thought I better not. Put them look into today. I've been to France once. I went to the hypermarket with my sister and her partner. I've never actually spent time over there. It's good fishing over there in times, as I fish. So, and then I went to Tunisia with my parents. Hated it over there, didn't like it. It might be changed now, but I just didn't like it. It was one of those that you get the hotel room and you're bugged by beggars, but they're saying that's so you in London on that. So I thought to myself, I don't really want to keep getting bugged by people. I was only youngsters as well. I've been to the Isle of Wight when I was very young. It's very expensive over there, is it not? I did realise I must cut my hair as well. Got a hospital next week, so I must cut my hair. I'm going to throw out a butterfly razor. Let me see. Here we go. I want a butterfly one. There you go. I'm trying to get one at our local boot shop. We got one. Make sure it's tidy, of course, but yeah, no. I want to make sure we got. I want to see if I can get one. I've always wanted one. Always wanted one. Alright. I'm just about to say, I haven't actually cut myself at all today. I've just done it, just nipped your hair. But, wouldn't be me if I didn't leave. Right, I'll be back in a second because I'm going to wash this off. By the way, I went down, across and up. Back in 1 second. Back again. Oh. Right, I'm going to use, because I've cut myself again, I'm going to use Mr. Natty. Right, watch me screwing the house down. Oh, that's not too bad. I was expecting it to be a bit more of a pain, but no, it's not too bad. Right. That is Mr. Natty there, Allen Block. I reckon, have a feel. Go on. It's smooth, isn't it? Alright, yeah, it's smooth. Go that side. Put the cat people. Right. Sashes. As you know, I decant it. And I'm going to try this today. See if I can get that in because it's got a black background. There you go. It's cardamom or carbon. It smells very sweet, so that would go brilliantly with the peppermint. There is alcohol in that, but it's not a lot. It doesn't whiz at your face, woo! But there is alcohol in that, it's really nice. And then to finish off, I'm going to be using that, L'Oreal. Give that as well, it's a sample. Picked it up from my local, oh no I didn't, tell a lie. I got it in a pack of L'Oreal stuff. Comes out blue. I need tiny amount. Oh, I do like that cardamom. You know, cardamom or cardamom, so cardamom. It's a cardamom character. Do you remember them? Cartman, South Park. Blimey. That's going back a few years, isn't it? I don't know if they're still producing that. They're still producing it? Must be. Still there. Right, I'm going to run through what I did. Used the trusty ball brush into the trusty bowl. I'm supposed to mix it up again, you'll get, I'll put some more water on the brush. There you go. I then used the tiniest of a Bond Street Peppermint. So it smells like extra strong mints. And then put some salads on it. I then put some cardamom aftershave, which is gorgeous. If you can get this stuff, it's really, really lovely. Doesn't tell you what's in it. It's easy tea, and it's 100ml, and it's carbon perfumes. So have a look. Have a look. It's really lovely. Do like that. And then to finish off, I used the L'Oreal Moisturiser 24-hour protection, or 24-hour hydration protection. There you go, if you want to be fresh about it. And then mop my chops around with some Mr. Natty. You've been nicked and bark, that's what it looks like. I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday review. Let's see what I've got to review. And next week I'm going to use a 5-blade razor. Don't do that, but no, I'm going to try it out, see if it's as good. Disposable or 5-blade razors, if you want to call it. I haven't used one of those in about 5 years. So it's going to be fun to use, to see what they've like, what they've changed like, if anything they've changed. So come and join me then. And that's Sunday, next Sunday, week from today. Meet me on Wednesday for another review. I'll find something to review. Even if I have to make some oils, we'll have a go. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think of these, and if there's anything you want me to do. Subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and when I put my nose up, you'll get notified. I'd love to have you on there. And a thumbs up as well, so we can all enjoy it. Shaving should be fun, not a chore. See you later. Bye.